How are you? Welcome back to my channel. How have you been doing? I know I'm starting this video a lot different than I used to, but I just thought to myself, let me do something different. So I've done something colorful, something really bright. Technic Cosmetics sent me a few of their bits. Like they sent me well, we are still in Pride month, so they sent me their Pride collection, which, as you can tell, I really love. It's really pretty. Like, they sent me this palette over here, so this is it here. Well, they did send me this, which I am really happy about. Is the Huda Beauty dupe, but here their one is called Mesmerizing, and also they sent me quite a bit of things, you know. I'm gonna fast forward through the video and I'll show you maybe like bits and pieces where I was using the product, but I'm gonna come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. I love everything. That's gonna sound as if I am brown nosing, but hear me out. This surprised me. I don't know if you guys have heard of Technic Cosmetics. They are like affordable brand, and you can see them in your corner shop. You can see them in pharmacies, or Boohoo sells them as well, and they sell on their website as well. I think Beauty Base in Stratford sells them. In Westfield, I mean. Okay, so this surprised me. Like, I didn't think it was gonna bronze nothing. I actually didn't think it was gonna work for me at all, but it did. Like, I was ready to go in with my normal bronzers. I am absolutely amazed by that. That aside, take a look at this palette. On the outside, it looks ordinary. It doesn't look like it's gonna work. It doesn't look like it's gonna, like, come on, something that you probably buy for like how much? Less than £10. Think, no, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be like, it's not good. It's gonna be powdery. It's gonna be this. It's gonna be that. Look at the look I created with this. I am so happy about that. It works well. It was very pigmented. Like, come on. It was pigmented, right? Like, it was pigmented. So I would say my thoughts would be, go check out the brand. It's very, very, very well worth your money. They did send me this too, so I'm gonna ask you guys if you still want to see a look using this too. I would. This is what it looks like. This is like the Huda Beauty dupe. This is called Mesmerizing. This is Captivated. So it's a dupe, not a fake. There's a difference between those two. I would actually invest in this. If I saw a Huda Beauty fake, I wouldn't buy that. But if I'd see this, I would buy this because it's a dupe, not a fake. Two different things entirely. So I would definitely invest my money in that. So my thoughts is, go check out the brand. They're very, very well worth your money, and if you have the money to buy the high-end stuff, please go ahead, as in by all means. But if you want to save a couple of bucks, you know, why not? You could, because this product is amazing. They were all amazing. There is nothing here that I used that I didn't like. So there you have it. Anyways, if you like this type of videos, please let me know. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. And remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.